if I told you that there was a time when cars weren't just machines, they were statements of power, luxury, and pure American confidence? Today, we're diving deep into one of the most iconic luxury sedans ever built, the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood in an elegant black finish. This isn't just a car, this is rolling history. From its massive presence to its ultra-smooth ride, the Fleetwood represents an era when bigger truly meant better. So sit back, relax, and let's explore what makes this classic Cadillac an unforgettable masterpiece. Exterior. The first thing that hits you when you see the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood is its sheer size. This car doesn't just arrive, it dominates the road. Stretching over 19 feet long, it's longer than many modern SUVs, and that alone tells you everything about its personality. Finished in deep black, the paint gives it a commanding and almost intimidating presence, reflecting light like a mirror and emphasizing its bold lines. Up front, you're greeted by that signature Cadillac grille, wide, chrome-heavy, and unapologetically luxurious. The stacked rectangular headlights add to its vintage charm, while the massive chrome bumper reminds you that this car was built in an era where durability mattered. The hood feels endless, stretching out in front like a runway, giving the driver a true sense of command. Moving to the side, the long, straight body lines define the Fleetwood's elegance. There's no unnecessary aggression here, just pure sophistication. The chrome trim runs along the length of the car, highlighting its proportions, while the vinyl roof adds an extra layer of luxury. At the rear, the vertical taillights and wide stance complete the look. The trunk is massive, and the rear bumper is just as bold as the front. Every angle of this car screams presence, class, and old-school American luxury. Interior. Step inside the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood, and you enter a completely different world, a world where comfort was king. The black exterior is beautifully complemented by a plush, soft interior that feels more like a living room than a car cabin. The seats are incredibly wide and cushioned, designed for maximum comfort rather than sporty support. You don't sit in a Fleetwood, you sink into it. Whether it's cloth or leather, the material feels rich and inviting, making long drives feel effortless. The dashboard is a masterpiece of vintage design. You'll find wood grain accents, chrome detailing, and a layout that feels both simple and elegant. The steering wheel is large and thin, giving you that classic driving feel, while the instrument cluster is straightforward and easy to read. Space is where the Fleetwood truly shines. The front seats offer generous legroom, but the real highlight is the rear. This car was designed with passengers in mind, and the back seat feels like a VIP lounge. There's enough room to stretch out comfortably, making it perfect for long journeys or being chauffeured in style. Even the small details matter here, from the soft carpeting to the smooth door panels, everything is built with comfort and luxury in mind. It's not about technology or screens, it's about experience. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, and this is where the Fleetwood tells a different story compared to modern cars. Under the hood, you'll typically find a massive 500 cubic inch V8 engine, one of the largest engines ever put in a production car. This engine isn't about speed or racing, it's about effortless power. The Fleetwood glides rather than drives. Press the accelerator, and you feel a smooth surge of torque that moves this giant with surprising ease. The ride quality is what truly defines this car. Thanks to its soft suspension setup, the Fleetwood floats over the road. Bumps and imperfections are absorbed effortlessly, making every journey feel calm and relaxed. It's not designed for sharp corners or aggressive driving, it's built for cruising. The steering is light, almost effortless, which suits the car's personality perfectly. You're not fighting the car, you're guiding it. And while fuel efficiency isn't its strong point, that was never the goal. This car was made in a time when comfort and presence mattered more than miles per gallon. Driving the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood is like stepping back in time. Everything about it feels different from modern vehicles. The size, the softness, the quietness, it all creates a unique experience that's hard to replicate today. On the highway, the car feels incredibly stable. It just cruises along, soaking up the miles with ease. Inside the cabin, it's quiet and peaceful, making it perfect for long drives. In the city, you do feel its size. Parking can be a challenge, and tight spaces require extra attention. But once you get used to it, there's something incredibly satisfying about driving such a large and commanding vehicle. This isn't a car you rush in. It encourages you to slow down, enjoy the journey, and appreciate the road. Price and value. When it comes to pricing, the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood offers a unique position in today's market. Back in its day, this was a premium luxury vehicle, representing the top of Cadillac's lineup. Today, depending on condition, originality, and mileage, you can find one ranging from around $8,000 to $25,000 or even higher for pristine, collector-quality examples. For a car of this size, history, and presence, that's actually quite reasonable. What you're really paying for isn't just a car, it's a piece of automotive history. It's about owning something that represents an entire era of design and engineering. So, is the 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood worth it? Absolutely, but it depends on what you're looking for. If you want modern technology, sharp handling, and fuel efficiency, this isn't the car for you. But if you want unmatched comfort, timeless design, and a driving experience that feels truly special, then the Fleetwood delivers in every way. It's not just transportation, it's a statement. The black 1975 Cadillac Fleetwood stands as a symbol of an era when cars were bold, luxurious, and unapologetically large. And even today, it continues to turn heads and capture hearts wherever it goes. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic American luxury, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legendary car reviews just like this one.